Facilities operations slow down when maintenance requests come from everywhere. HVAC repairs, preventative maintenance, vendor coordination, safety inspections. Manage it all from one connected system. Give employees and facility teams one place to report, track, and resolve issues faster. Introducing Clovity's Facilities Unified Bundle. Built for modern facilities and maintenance operations. Automate recurring maintenance schedules before small issues become costly downtime. Track assets, service history, warranties, and maintenance activity from one platform. Route urgent repairs instantly to the right technician or external vendor. Give facilities leaders visibility into workload, response times, and recurring maintenance issues. From preventative maintenance to facility operations, everything stays structured, traceable, and measurable. Modernize facilities operations with Jira Service Management, implemented by Clovity. Book a demo